So this is episode 1 in a series on how to use your imagination. My name is Dr. Jay Kavanaugh of thevibemindset.com. Let's get into it. So one of the biggest mistakes people make is they don't imagine through their own eyes. Oftentimes they do it through the eyes of the observer. They observe and visualize an event that they desire, but they don't immerse themselves in it as if they are the person living it. So you want to immerse yourself. You want to be seeing everything through your eyes, not as the observer, not as a third person, but as the first person. So next time you imagine, make sure you activate the first person point of view, and this will get you tremendous results. It makes all the difference. Because if you start going from that third person, what oftentimes you can do is end up manifesting or noticing that one of your friends manifests that which you desire because you were the observer and you actually did manifest or helped manifest or create that energy for them. But if you want to do it for you, first person. All right, guys, video number 2 is going to be another short actionable takeaway. So let me know what you think of this series. Hope you love it, and we'll talk soon.